Hi guys, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to make this romantic braided updo. So begin by making the parting and then selecting our side sections like I'm showing here and clip them away for later. Then you want to gather all the hair left at the back of your head and tie it using a clear elastic. Then you want to grab another clear elastic and make a bun with this ponytail. Basically you pull your hair halfway through and then grabbing the rest of your hair from the ponytail, you want to bring it through the elastic, spin around and pin it in place, creating a voluminous bun like so. Now we want to grab one of these sections, grab a small section from this one and divide it into two and basically begin a fishtail braid, and want to take a small section and bring it to opposite one, and then want to add more hair to the lower section, so this way you will make a lace fishtail braid. I hope that this makes sense. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add and finish with a simple fishtail braid. Basically, fishtail braid means that you bring one small section from one side and bring it to opposite one and repeat on other side as well with a second section. And you'll keep repeating these steps over and over again until reaching the end. Make sure to tug on the edge of the braid to make it fuller and voluminous. Fix it in place, of course, and repeat this braid on other side of the parting. Like so. Now you want to grab one of the braids and bring it backwards, covering created bun, and repeat with a second braid as well. Pin it well in place, fix it, and you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this romantic braided updo. And guys, we love you so much and hope to see you soon. And by the way, happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Bye!